How to add a web page to your home screen on iPhone. So the first step is by opening your web browser, specifically Safari, since Safari only has this option. So if you're using Chrome, then make sure to download Safari first and then open it. Once you're right there, make sure to search for that web page first. So for example, I'll choose Google. Go ahead and click on this share button right here found on the bottom mid of your screen and scroll down and look for add to home screen right here. Click on that one. You may change the name of the um, web page that you want and click on add on the upper right corner of the screen. So as you can see now, I have Google right here. So whenever you click on that um, app, for example, or that web page, then you will be redirected to Google automatically on your Safari. So that's it. That's how you can add a web page to your home screen on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.